Double station CNC gantry drill. The machine adopts CNC touchscreen control and the interface is simple and easy to understand. Mature technology of integrated PLC circuit, low failure rate. The CNC drilling machine is specially designed and manufactured for the drilling of solid iron bar, number 45 steel and sleeve, and other metal solid bar and zinc iron pipe in archive and library facility. Vertical structure of the whole machine. The maximum effective drilling stroke of the left and right is 2000 mm. Double station design. AB station alternating processing can realize the uninterrupted cycle processing of one working position processing and the other working position loading and unloading. It can automatically move left and right to drill holes with the required spacing in the same line without minimum spacing limit. The drilling depth and depth of CNC 0 point can be adjusted at will, and the maximum stroke is 100 mm. In order to ensure the personal safety of the operator, the parallel start work switch is used, and the start button must be pressed by both hands at the same time to carry out drilling work. The machine is equipped with an emergency stop button. Press the button to stop the whole machine. Widely used in archives and natural resources, library, insurance equipment, mining machinery, handling equipment, bathroom doors and windows. It can automatically and efficiently drill out the solid iron bar. I-shaped, round, oval and other pipes of number 45 steel, aluminum alloy profile, steel plastic, 435 galvanized pipe. Accurate drilling effect, high finish, smooth whole wall, no burr on the front, efficient drilling.